Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app problems, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to the window of Twitter. Then this list of app and for we click on first app and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.